Okay, looks like I ran into my first issue with my laser last weekend. I think I had my first thermal shutdown. Okay. Um, Upon investigation, I find out that internal construction has some serious flaws. For example, there are no fans here, although many models feature fans. That's kind of weird. The only fans that rely is ones which built into the laser itself. But then they talk about airflow. This is the air intake. Then it goes through the laser and comes out here. As you can see from a crop on the wall, the air really moves here. Outside of those out vents, there are little filters which catches particles as they exit the system. What's the bloody reason in that? I have no clue. But yeah, that's not brilliant. So all this crap went through the laser and got stopped on exit. The laser works as a filter, and laser itself works as a filter. Okay, that's really not brilliant. So I wired up a couple of small fans I'm going to put here, which going to keep a constant pool of air. Besides that, I introduced a small cloth here as a filtration, so cleaner air will go through a filter, hopefully preventing it from overheating, and plus enforced airflow, hopefully going to keep this unit cool. I looked at a laser through the FLIR camera. I didn't detect any kind of heating, but I really need to take care of this crap. And now I think what I've done is my laser is going to be on this part of the desk, and galvanometer will be separated by the larger distance. Air going to move this way, keeping debris away from actual laser. Okay, here we are, cheap and easy fix, couple fans lying around, 12-volt power adapter, a little bit of soldering, and hopefully we're going to keep our system nice, clean, and cool. One thing left to do is to go to store, pick up a can of compressed air, one which comes with a straw, so actually can put it into radiators in the middle of laser unit, and just blast it, make sure that I clean all this garbage out. So good cleanup, and hopefully that's the last time I will have problem with overheating. Thank you, hope it will help you. Have fun, bye.